Guys, so back with another one for you guys. Okay, so here's the problem I'm having. All right, so let's just start from where I thought the problem was. So when you go into the system, where are you? Sorry guys. Okay, power, everything, reset button, everything's connected over there. Okay, I double checked it and everything. Now when you come up here, hit the power button, nothing is happening. Okay. Now make sure. See, the back power is on. Plug is in, obviously. But here's the funny part. Now, when I just flip this switch, obviously turn off, plug this out for a little bit, plug it back in, flip it on. Okay, everything is on. Check this shit out. So, if anyone knows why this is happening, please let me know in the comments. If there's anything in the BIOS I have to change, let me know. But everything just kicks on after you plug in and plug out the power supply, hit the power button, and everything kicks on. And the only codes that I would see is 40. I would see 40 a lot. I would see code 40 a lot. And what's the other one? I can't remember the other one, but I'm able to see a post. Give me a second. Let me see. Show you guys a post. Alexa, switch to HDMI 1. There you go. Everything works pretty well, right? So that's my issue. So I gotta see why this is happening, guys. So please let me know down below, the comments down below, why this is happening. And thanks, appreciate it.